It's the Calcutta High Court that will be hearing the Murshidabad violence case. The deceased victim's family is now seeking an NIA probe into the matter. The Bengal violence has, of course, triggered an SIT that has now been formed in the case. The Bengal police has formed that 9-member special investigation team, and this is multiple petitions that have been filed in the Calcutta High Court on Wednesday in connection with the violence that took place in West Bengal's Murshidabad district last week during protests against the Waqf Act. We have my colleague Shreyashi joining us. Shreyashi, an NIA probe is being requested. This is on accord of the family of the victim. Take us through the details that you have for us. What time is this case coming up in Calcutta High Court?
Well, the Calcutta High Court will be hearing a bunch of petitions. About 5 cases are going to be heard at 12 p.m. today before the division bench. What is there before the Calcutta High Court? Number one, the deployment of central forces. That time limit ends today. We will have to wait and see whether the Calcutta High Court feels that that needs to be extended or not. The state of West Bengal will be submitting a ground report to the Calcutta High Court today on what is the situation on ground, what measures the state government has taken. That will be submitted on behalf of the state government today. Third, there will be the deceased family, the father and the son who were killed in the communal clashes in Dhulyan. Their family is seeking an NIA investigation into the murder. And number 4 is that a leader of the opposition and BJP looking at seeking permission to travel to Murshidabad to meet the victims. So the Calcutta High Court is going to decide on all these petitions today at 12 p.m.
Right, petition seeking a probe into the anti-Waqf law violence that erupted. Take us through the details as to the situation on the ground, and of course a war of words that has been played out between the opposition and the government, of course. But take us through, when it comes to these multiple petitions that you're talking about, of course the leader of the opposition also asking to be able to survey the area.
Well, internet remains suspended till the 18th of April. The situation on ground is under control. There have been no fresh violence since last week. Over 250 have been arrested, and SIT has been formed by the police to look into the case. And of course, these are protocols. Now the police, today is the state government's submission before the High Court. That's where we will find out more details about what kind of arrests have been made, how many people have been arrested, what provoked these violence. This is something that the state government is going to be submitting. So we will find out further what exactly led to this kind of violence that killed 3 people. And as far as the families are concerned, there are several families still displaced, and they haven't yet returned to Murshidabad. So that will also remain a concern for the state administration to bring back home safely all those who have fled from their homes. And so far, the investigation is still on by the police.